Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check color of iPhone thanks to the serial number. Okay, so first of all we have to enter for this website applesn.info, and when you are right here you have to input the serial number of your iPhone in this place. So for example, you would like to buy a new iPhone and you want to check base information, so we can verify for example with the color. Click on the search. Now just wait a little bit, and when this next site show on your screen, the color will appear in this place at the top with the full name of your device, with the memory, with the color, and also with the family number, and it also will appear right here. So if you want to verify the base information and for example the color of the device that you want to buy, you can make it on this website. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.